Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. How are you? Hope all are fine. Today I am going to make classic stir fry prawns in Hamari style. It's a very simple and unique combination of fried vegetables, sauce and prawns. Here I am going to show all. I'm sure you will like it. See how beautifully it looks. So let's start. First we are going to make fried vegetables. First take oil in a pan. Once oil becomes hot, add onions, green chilies, mix it and fry it for few seconds. We are using here medium to high flame. Add spring onions, fry it for few seconds. Now add radish. I have used red color radish here. You can use white also. Now add cabbage. Mix it and fry for few seconds. Now add fish sauce. Fish sauce contains salt, so no need to add salt separately. Add white pepper, mix it and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. Our fried vegetables are ready. Isn't it too simple and quick one? Now we are going to make our sauce. So take some oil. Once oil becomes hot, add crushed garlic. Use low flame here. Now mix it. Add crushed red chilies. Mix it and fry it for a few seconds. Half cup of water. Once water boils, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of palm sugar. Mix it nicely. Szechuan sauce, and tamarind pulp. Mix it well and let it cook for a minute. Now add 1 teaspoon of corn flour paste to make our sauce thick. You can make corn flour paste by adding corn flour in water. Mix it. You can see our sauce became thick and it's ready. So our sauce too is ready. Wow, yummy. Now let's fry our prawns. I'm going to fry them in a butter. So take butter in a pan. Once butter melts, add prawns. Fry for few seconds. Use medium to high flame here. Now add fish sauce. Mix it and toss them nicely. Fry them all sides for 1 to 2 minutes. Here our prawns are ready. Now serve all in a plate. Our fried vegetables, sauce and fried prawns. Here I have added some French fries too. If you want, you can mix fried vegetables and prawns together and eat. I prefer to eat like this. Isn't it look awesome? I liked it a lot. If you wanna eat, then try at your home and also tell us how it came. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.